Welcome back to Linux Practicals using simple filters. In this video we'll have a look at the further filter commands in Linux. So we'll see the next filter command, sort. Sort command, as the name suggests, sorting. So you can use sort command to sort the data in your file. So as I said in my previous practicals, in those days there was no database management system and people used to store the data in the form of text files, and people used to execute various filter commands to get the data in the required form. So sort command is one of the filter commands. So you can sort your data in the file in either descending or ascending order. So there are various options that you can use with sort command. So +k, +n. So these are the these are the options that are used to specify the field number, so which field you want to sort on. So n or k can be used for specifying the sort number, the field number, and -t to specify the delimiter. So as your file may have a delimiter like a pipe or a semicolon or a colon, so you need to specify the delimiter, what type of delimiter your file is using. Then -r is to sort your file in reverse order. So this is an example. So if you don't use any of these parameter, it will by default sort on the first column of your file. So let's have a look at this. So again we'll use the same file, emp.lst. so we'll just have a look at the emp.lst. so this is what is emp.lst. so we'll see the this is a database maintained in a text file, and the first column is an employee code. So if I use sort command on emp.lst, you'll see that the data is sorted on the first column. So you can see the first column. So data is sorted. Now the first record here is 2233, and here you can see it is 00, 0110, and so on. So this is how we sort the records. So if you don't provide any of these parameters, then the records will be sorted as per the first column. So first column will be used to sort the records. Again we'll have a look at another example. So sort command allows you to sort the records. If no parameters are provided, no field name is provided, then we use the sort command sorts directly on the first column. Now we'll take the second example here. Sort -t. -t is for specifying the delimiter, as we have pipe as the delimiter. -k, and the n here is basically the number of the field that you want to sort. So now this example is going to sort the second column of the table. So again we'll have a look at this. The second column is the name of the employees. So as here you can see, the name of the employee starts from A, J, S, B. Now we have a sort command. Sort -t, the delimiter. Delimiter is a pipe, -k, and the column name that you want to sort. So I'll say emp.lst, enter. Now here you can see the name column is sorted. The second column is sorted and not the first one. So after A, K, Shukla, here you have J, whereas here after A, K, Shukla you have Anil Agarwal, Barun, and Chanchal. So this is how we are sorting in the sorting according to the column. If you want to have a reverse sort, so in the sort command you need to just specify -r and enter, and again you can see the reverse order. It is sorting in the reverse order. So V starts first, S, N, and so on, and A comes the last. So we are sorting in the reverse order. So this is how we sort the commands in reverse order. Then again you can see this is the reverse order. So either you can give the -r before and after, first or later, that doesn't matter. So this is how we use the sort command. So you can try using the sort command on various columns. So secondary key, The secondary key is where suppose if you have the names in the if you have the common names and you want to sort according to the second letter of the name, so in that case we use the secondary key. So the third column, now here the 3, 3 indicates the third column. The third column, the first 3 indicates the third column and the second 3 indicates the third letter of the third column, and then again the second column and the second letter of the second column in the file emp.lst. So this is how you can specify the column names, and you can execute this and see the difference, what difference does it make. So again clear the cat emp.lst. I'll say sort -t the delimiter -k 3, 3 -k again 2, 2 emp.lst. Now just have a look at the third column. So you have third column is the designation. So what we are doing here, we are sorting with the designation. So we'll see designation C, chairman, and again the general manager, the director, the production director. So now here when you take the director, it is sorting according to the second letter. So B, C, and again director L. So it is sorting on the both the column, the third column as well as the second column. So in case if the third column is same, then it will sort according to the second column B, C, and it will check till the second letter of the second column, and here it will check till the third letter of the third column. So we are using 3, 3, that means third comma and till the third letter it will check for the sort, and second column second 2, 2, that means second column and till the second letter. So this is how the sort command can be used for multiple sorts. So you can have multiple sorts in the same command. Then sorting on columns, again you can have sorting within the column on different number or different fields within the column, within the on the columns, and within the column you can have sort between the letters. So now here these example 5.7 and 5.8. now if you see at the example, the fifth column is the date. Now if you count these date columns, so you have 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.7 and 5.8. so in the fifth column, the seventh letter, that means that, so fifth column is date. So 1, 2, 3, this is the EMP code, name, chairman, there is a designation 3. Fourth column is the department, and the fifth column is the date. So 5.7, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is going to sort on the date column. So again I'll just clear the screen, display the contents of the file, and now here we'll have a sort command, sort -t the delimiter, and the column, that is k-k. Now I want to sort on 5.7, column number 5.7 and column number 5.8. so let's just have a look at the syntax here. 5.7 comma 5.8 comma 5.8. You'll not give any space here. 5.8 and the name of the file, so emp.lst. So now if you see the output of the date column here, so first record is the year you see is 52, and here the year you see is 38, and again the year next year is 50, and here you see 40. So it has sorted according to the year in the date column. So this command means that you are sorting on the fifth column, and within the fifth column you are sorting on the seventh character of that column. So 5.7 and 5.8. So this is how we sort the. You can have internal sort within the field of a data. You can also have numeric sort. So in this case, you need, if your file consists of only numbers, so what you can do is you can create a file consisting of some random numbers entered in any ways, and then you use the sort command on that file. So this will give you the numeric sort. So this -n is used only in case if you have numbers in your file. If you want to remove the repeated lines, that is in your data, if you have multiple records, multiple columns, repeated columns, so if you want to view the single data, for example in SQL we use this in query. So if you don't want to display repeated lines, so we use unique in SQL query. Similarly here you have unique. So as in SQL query we use distinct shows you non-repeated lines. Similarly here if you want to have non-repeated lines, you can use the unique key. So now in this command we are cutting a column F3, that is third column, from emp list and sorting the unique key. Now what does our third column have? So our third column consists of designations. So if you see, I just type the command cut -t the pipe f -f for the field 3 third column and emp.lst. This will display the third column. So this displays the third column. So we are using cut -d pipe, this delimiter, third field and employee.lst. So this displays the third column, but you see here the designations are repeated. So if I don't want to display these designations, so I will use the sort command. So sort -u and enter. So the output of the cut command will be taken as the input by the sort command, and it will display the non-repeated lines. Okay, so this is how you show the unique records in your file. So there are 2 chairmen, it will display only 1 chairman, general manager, and so on. Okay, the same you can use with directly the file. So we provide the field number by using k, so 3 and emp.lst. So it won't repeat the columns, the designation column, director, general manager and all. so it only will show you only single records for each one. So this is how this unique command of sort or U option of sort works to display the unique records in your table. Now here the additional pipe and T is going to create a new file designation.lst, so it will capture the entire records and store in the designation.lst. so again we can have a look at this. So we are going to fire this command sort U and sort -u and T. I'll provide the file name as designation.lst and enter. Now here using this command it shows the output also, and it will also create the file designation.lst. so in case if you want to display the output and store the same in some file, you can just use the pipe and T command to store the output in the file. So you'll see the output file has been created, so desig.lst. so here you can see the desig.lst has been created. So this is how we use the sort command here. So there are other options for creating the file, so you can redirect the file directly using the -o option. So instead of redirecting your output using a pipe or T, you can simply use -o and the new file name. So this is your new file name, so sorted list becomes your new file name here, that will store the sorted information in this file. So again we'll have a look at this. So say for example I want to sort, so cat emp.lst. suppose I want to sort these records as per the emp code and save the information in some file. So I'll say sort -o, I'll say sort emp. This is a new file that will get created, and I would specify the field on which I want to sort, so K2 and name of the file. So now here it won't show you the output, but the file is getting created. This ls, and you'll see the sort emp has been created, and now we can just look at the content. Sort emp, and you'll see the content has been sorted as per the second column. So sort -o, sort emp, and the delimiter. So we need to provide a delimiter here, -t. So the delimiter is a pipe, -k to the second column, and emp.lst. So after sort emp there has to be a space. Cat sort emp. So on the second column you will see the data has been sorted. So this is how we use sort command. Then let's have a look at the another command. These are all various options that you can use with sort. So numeric sorting, reverse sorting, lowercase to equivalent uppercase. So here we won't have the case sensitive problem. Merging sorted files in the list. So you can check out these options. So -o file name. So this is what we use the last command. So these are various sort options. You can also use unique command to locate the repeated and non-repeated lines. So unique file name. So again we'll have a look at this command. So unique emp.lst. Now this command will not have any much difference because you don't have the records in the proper format here. So for this you need to create a file that will show you only selected column. So here in this case we have the option -u. So unique -u. Now what this command does is we are using three commands here. So cut -d f3. So this will cut the third column of the file employee.lst. So the output of these will be redirected to the sort command, and after sorting the data, the unique command will execute. So let's have a look how this command works. So cut -d pipe. So cut -d pipe. Now field that we are going to execute is 3 from emp.lst, and after doing that we are going to sort it. After doing that you are going to execute unique. So first we'll see what is the output till sort. So we'll see the records are sorted. Then we put the unique command uniq and -u, enter. So here you'll see that only the non-repeated record is been displayed. So chairman is not repeated here, so only the non-repeated record is displayed. So let's have a look of using only unique. When you use only unique, you'll see all the repeated records are displayed but only once along with the non-repeated record. So this is how the unique command works. Duplicate. So it will select only one copy of repeated lines. So again we are taking the same example. So -d. So if you see unique command without any parameter and unique with -d, it displays this output, but in unique it takes the non-repeated lines also, but in unique -d it just takes the repeated lines. So repeated lines will be shown only once. So here you can see DGM is twice, so it's showing here once. Director is thrice, 4 times, and it's showing once. Executive is twice. So this is how we use the unique -d option. Next option is count. Suppose if you want to count what is the number of repeated and non-repeated lines, so we can use -c as the option. So -c, this will give you the count of the existence of number of words or number of amount of data that is repeated. So chairman is only once, DGM is twice, director is 4 times, executive is again 2 times, GM is again 4 times, and so on. So unique -c will count the existence of the data in a specific column. So this is how we work with the sort and unique commands. Try and execute these commands. If you have any doubts, you can always get back to me. Hope you like the video. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.